Alright, please explain to me how this new Powerlink works.
Well, this is the Powerlink 4 from AbleNet, and it's a tool for kids to operate appliances and other battery-operated devices and toys using a switch. So, we have our Powerlink 4 and its cord, which I'm going to plug in right in the back. So I'm going to plug it into the wall. Then, I'm going to plug in the toy I want my child to operate right into the Powerlink. I can plug in two different appliances, but right now I'm just going to hook up one. So, and I made sure I turned on my appliance. This came on right away when I turned on the device, but I also make sure that the power switch is on.
Okay.
This is plugged into this side here. I could have other things over here, and I can also have more than one switch involved. I can have up to 8 wireless switches. To pair this switch with the Powerlink, first I need to turn this on.
Okay.
And did you see the light blinked there?
Okay.
Now I'm going to press the status button on the side closest to the item I want to operate.
And that one, that side, the lights are on, so you know that's a side.
Yeah, and I'm waiting for it to turn green. There we go.
Okay.
Now I'm going to press down my switch and it will pair. Perfect. Now I'm going to press status again and I'm ready to operate it. You can have this operate in direct mode, so I will turn it there. Direct mode means that when I touch the switch, the item should turn on, if my item is on. There we go, and when I take my hand off, it will turn off.
Great.
When I press latch, so I'm going to change the mode. When I press latch, I'm going to touch the switch.
And I'll just stay on.
Until I touch it again.
Right.
There we go. For the timed second, I'm going to press mode again, and I can make it more seconds or fewer seconds. And then if I press the switch, it will stay on for that period of time.
And
then I'll have to reactivate it.
Perfect.
Do you have any more questions?
What happens if I don't have a high-tech switch like you do there? And commonly I find that there are wired switches that aren't wireless. Where would I plug that in?
You'd plug it in on one of the side switch ports on this or over here.
Okay.
For this particular setup, you'd have it over here to operate this appliance.
Okay. And then same idea, I can, once I plug it in, it's automatically for that side, and then I would select the latch or the direct or the timed.
Yes.
Perfect. I don't think I need to know how to link up 8 sort of things, but what happens if I have one switch and I have 2 devices? So let's say I have a fan and the aquarium, and I have one switch. I need to manually go from one side. I manually decide which side that it's going to be on. So for example, if I...
So say I plugged in this fan. I would have to unpair this switch from this side.
Okay.
And then repair it with this side.
Okay, so I couldn't do a simple,
I could. I think, let's check it out.
It would just still be...
Nope.
Because it's too... What's this 2-switch thing button?
I'm not sure.
Oh, okay.
I think if I had 2 switches, maybe I could do switch to this side and switch to that side.
Okay. It's nice. I think that's a nice, it's a nice sleeker looking thing, and I like the digital display that you can kind of tell it's 5 seconds.
So for this particular student, we're going to keep it on the time second, so that he has to continue to activate it.
Fantastic.
Okay, hope that makes sense.